Nestled deep in Commodore Park, this charming mid-century home features wonderful privacy and water views. Vaulted ceilings in the spacious living room give the living space an open feel and allows natural light to fill the room. Enjoy water views from the cute dining area. The kitchen includes upgraded cabinets and generous counter space. The split-level floor plan provides a great spot downstairs for a separate den or playroom area. The downstairs bedroom with attached full bathroom makes a great guest room and gives unique access to the fantastic screened-in porch overlooking the large backyard. It's perfect for entertaining. 3 additional bedrooms with hardwood floors and a full bathroom are upstairs. Ample storage space and an attached garage are just 2 more desirable features of this terrific home.